Won't you sail with me out on the rolling sea? We'll find some place to go, maybe down to Barbados. It's an island off somewhere in the middle of nowhere, sailing to freedom, you and me.
G'day people, yes, we are still delayed. It must be very frustrating for you. It's very frustrating for me too, because I have very little content to show you, but it's a good thing in the end, and it's a par for the course with a big project like this. Odyssey was not happy with the honeycomb aluminium fit out, and look, it ended up being too heavy and didn't actually turn out too nice. So they're actually checking out a new fit out crew with a new fit out material, and so they're sussing that out. Now it's a good thing, because you know, if they let the fit out go to me, well, what would we have? We'd have a plank on the floor for a bed, and we'd have a single bucket for a toilet and sink. So it's a good thing in the end. So hopefully in a couple of weeks I'll be able to go to the factory and look out the fit out and you know, do a tour. So until then, on with the show. Welcome to Vietnam, good people. Starting with food. The food is everywhere, super fresh and excellent, and for reference is similar to Thai food. Literally, there are street stalls and restaurants every 10 meters to eat, with prices ranging from about 60 US cents for a pork and salad roll to a few dollars for a complete meal. Yes, that's right, good people. My budget is right at home in Vietnam, with me getting by on less than 10 US dollars per day. And that includes rent. Woohoo! The people are honest and hardworking and are very friendly and like to eat out just like everyone else. The country is stunning with long, white, beautiful beaches. The country has these crazy karsts, which are basically sharp limestone mountains that jut out from the dense jungles. And these karsts just keep on going and going all the way into the sea. I mean, look at that! How beautiful is this place? And just recently they found the world's largest cave system in the world, known as Hang Song Doong Cave. This cave is a whopping 9 kilometers long and has a volume of 38.5 million cubic meters, which, when discovered in 1990, ended up being 5 times bigger than the previous largest cave in Malaysia. It's up to 200 meters high and 150 meters wide, with some parts of the cave able to house a 40-story building. Stalagmites can be up to 80 meters high. The cave is so large that it even seems to have its own weather system, with clouds coming and going from the entrance and near the dew lines, which are places along the cave where the ceiling has collapsed in. Let's go check it out! Sorry, good people, the tours are booked out well in advance to somewhere in 2027, and they cost $3,000, which is a multi-day tour, mind you, but still, $3,000 is a 300-day budget for little old Pluckster. So why am I giving you a low-budget internet tour of Vietnam, people? Well, I'm trying to present a more balanced view of Vietnam, because I must admit, in the latter part of the video, you'll find out, I was a little mischievous in some of my comments when I was sightseeing around Ho Chi Minh City. Yeah, what can you do? Sailing into freedom, I speak my mind. And sometimes it ought not be spoken. So I just thought I'd give you a little rough intro into some other things you can do in Vietnam. I mean, literally this cave thing, I would have loved to have done it, but well, 3,000 is a bit pricey. I mean, I liked it when I went touring around Australia. There's caves in Western Australia where you literally just park your car, walk off the road, and you just go down 200 or 300 meters. Now, no doubt, I think they've probably changed all the rules now, because this is about 20 years ago. Because people kill themselves and people are stupid. But I remember climbing down one cave with my girlfriend, and we had a glow frisbee, and we were in an underground cavern, and we only had 2 lights, and we turned off the lights, and we were playing frisbee, glow frisbee, in this cavern. And it's hard to catch a frisbee because there's no reference. You just see this glow coming to you, and then you, well, more often than not, you drop it. But anyway, I would have preferred to do this cave, you know, naturally, like just discover it myself, but like everything in this world, everything is controlled. And this place is super controlled because they want to keep it pristine. Anyway, I just thought I'd show it to you because I liked it. But anyway, on with the video, Sailing to Freedom. Don't read into the mischievous comments. It's just me, people. It's just can't help it. Sailing into freedom. So being a pedestrian in Ho Chi Minh City, here's a lesson for Westerners. You know pedestrian walks, zebra walks? They don't mean anything. Doesn't mean anything. Lots of scooters, right? What you do is you try and find the biggest gap possible and just walk. And they will part. And that's about it. So it's a little disconcerting for Westerners at the start, but that's what you do. Oh, bloody good. Another thing you'll notice is these officers in the army or security guards in these tiny little boxes guarding a back door, and there's nothing else. And literally, it's probably less than a square meter. It's probably 3/4 of a meter, and they're standing up like this. Look, I'd like to film it and show you, but I feel embarrassed for the guy because he's just like a caged animal. He's there for 8 hours a day, just managing what, maybe 1 or 2 people coming out this back door of some hotel complex. Crazy. And you also find that in the country. There'll be like a little dirt track, and then all of a sudden there'll be a box, and there'll be a security guard guarding a mountaintop. And it's like not even a big mountaintop, it's just like a little mountaintop. And he'll be there making sure no one goes up this road. Crazy. And he's there all day. I just met this lovely lady. She got kicked out of the same place. We went at the wrong entrance, and I accused her of saying, well, she's Vietnamese, she should already know where to go. And she speaks really good English. She's a bit shy. If you want to say hello?
Yeah. Hi guys. I'm from Hanoi. Nice to meet you guys.
You want to tell us a little bit about Hanoi? Why should I go and see Hanoi?
Oh, Hanoi is really like a beautiful city.
Yeah?
But it's a little bit crowded for me.
Okay.
Yeah, it's too crowded.
And now you're in Ho Chi Minh City, isn't
Yeah.
Ho Chi Minh City crowded?
Yes, just for a short trip.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Like a vacation, like holiday when I finish my last exams.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I go here for just a short trip.
Yeah, okay. Your English, it's I gotta say, it's really, really good. It's
Thank
even
you.
got. Do you watch a lot of American movies or something? Or?
Yeah, I love American
Oh,
movies.
well, there you go. There you go. I can almost hear a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, look, lovely to speak with you. You're going to go see the Independence
Yeah,
March
yeah,
too,
yeah.
aren't you? Well, I'm afraid you've got a chaperone. Do you know what a chaperone is?
Oh, sorry.
A chaperone is a guy like me that's annoying you.
I know.
As we go.
You are a really lovely guy.
Well, weren't they nice? And she said I was a lovely guy. I give that false impression to a lot of people. Oh, there's a fountain. Got my ticket? Let's go check it out. Hello?
Yes, but no video.
No video?
Yes.
What? Even YouTube? To show the world how beautiful the Vietnamese people are?
April 30th, 1975. Saigon is under pressure. North Vietnamese forces are advancing and the South Vietnamese government is in its final hours. Inside the palace, South Vietnam's last president, Doong Van Minh, has only been in office for a few days. He was brought in with the hope of negotiating a peaceful transfer of power, but at this point, it's clear that resistance is no longer on the table. In parallel, the United States is conducting Operation Frequent Wind, a major evacuation effort to remove American personnel and at-risk South Vietnamese civilians. Helicopters are being used to transport evacuees from designated landing zones across the city, including the U.S. Embassy and CIA safe house, to U.S. Navy ships positioned offshore of the coast of Vietnam. This marks the final phase of the American military presence in Vietnam. As the crowds around the U.S. Embassy grew uncontrollable and the situation became more chaotic, the nearby CIA annex, known as the Pittman Building, provided a more secure and manageable landing zone for the final helicopter extractions, including Ambassador Graham Martin's departure. It wasn't the original plan, but it became the most practical option under pressure. By midday, North Vietnamese tanks reach the city center. One of them breaks through the front gate of the palace. Shortly after, Northern troops enter the building. President Minh surrenders. His message is brief, something to the effect of, "We are here to hand over power." And with that, the Republic of Vietnam comes to an end. Saigon is now under the control of the North.
But you get that a lot in Vietnam, no filming certain things. I was once trying to film a building getting demolished. I was not allowed. But the building's not going to be there anymore. All the intelligence I'm gathering is going to be gone. This touristy stuff, I don't know if I can do it for more than half a day, people. Not enough action and adventure. I know, you're probably thinking, yeah, but you've been in a factory for the last year and a half. You must be going crazy. Well, yes. I'm going crazy. I don't think I'm allowed to be walking on the grass either. I was right, people. Got to keep off the grass. No fun. Now, I am self-censoring here for political correctness reasons, people, especially when I'm getting filmed by another person coming down within earshot. Now, as you know, this is not the Wisdom Channel, but I do know that smart asses don't last long in certain locations, people. I just got filmed by this guy. He showed me the picture and I went, yeah, it's not YouTube material. Yet here we are, people. I was thinking about what the term independence means in the Independence Palace, and I think it's basically more self-censoring here. Smart-ass people are a dying breed in some locations. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show that, because I still got to live in Vietnam for another few more months. I'll be at the customs trying to get clearance for my boat, and they go, "Oh, you're that guy that said this?" What can I say? Loose lips sink ships. I don't think I can show that either. Jesus, some of my best work. Now, I don't want to alarm anyone, but there is going to be a subscription hike this week because I ran into the girls again and they wanted to get my channel. and one of them subscribed. Yeah, I know, I've been going down over the last few months, but we're gonna have +1. I don't want to say it, people, but this table is shaped like the world's greatest whooper. Notice it's still got the hammer and sickle. As far as I can tell, it's just a big building full of comfy chairs. I don't think I could be a diplomat or a politician. I'd tell people what they don't want to hear. You know, tell the truth. Probably start World War III before the first cocktail lunch. Yep, more comfy chairs. Oh, here's another room with different style comfy chairs. Oh, here's something completely different. More comfy chairs. Different colour, different style. More comfy sofas, but something different. Yeah. More comfy sofas. Oh, billiard table. And this is the projection room for the theatre. Check out the size of those projectors. Check out the width of these chairs. I think the term something in the trough might spring to mind, hence the width. Whoa, no doubt Soviet supply. Are you girls following me? Look, you've got my channel now, you've subscribed, that's enough. Now ladies, back off, please, back off. It's what I get all the time, people. Actually, hardly ever. Okay, I'm putting 2 and 2 together. I'm thinking, people, I know it's a difficult concept sometimes you might think on Sailing to Freedom, but so this is Independence Palace. I thought the Presidential Palace, where this Huey in 1975, you know, uplifted the South Vietnamese officials before the North Vietnamese overtook Saigon. I thought that Presidential Palace was somewhere else. But this Independence Palace is actually the Presidential Palace. So there you go. So it's a bit of gloating right there. Now I've been thinking about this, I know, I'm not hurting myself. With all the comfy chairs and comfy sofas, basically this whole building is just comfy chairs and comfy sofas. If they had more officers with efficient statesmen doing their job that were not hired on nepotism, maybe the South could have been held. Food for thought, people, food for thought. Now ladies, please, please. Bye.